I think I've got a bad transformer. This Medusa-like transformer is in a Knight Series 600 tube tester. And as I've been going through here, cleaning out contacts, replacing sockets like that 9-pin socket there, when I started testing the voltages coming out of the transformer, which should step up like I would see on the panel there, I noticed that I was getting some funny measurements. So here I am operating unsafely, plugged in out of the cabinet, and I'm going to step through some of these voltages here, and it's not what I'm expecting. So I'm connected to the hot and the common there, coming to my voltmeter, and this is off 20 volts or so. That's pretty hot for off. As I step through this, I should expect to see 0.63, okay, close enough. 1.4, okay, looking good. 2.0, good. Next, 2.8, that's a little hot for 2.5, but okay, still good enough. And then I go all the way up to 5. So I skipped 3 and 4.2, and now I'm up to 5.0. I don't have two dangling wires coming off of Medusa, so they're not there. So anyway, continuing on from 5, it goes on up 6.5 instead of 6.3, close enough. 8.1, okay, 7.5, that's what I would have expected. Then 12.9, okay, close enough. 20.5, all right, actually my off value at 19 or so was closer to that. But anyway, so it steps on up 26, 33, 53, 73, and 115. So I'm off by 2, and it's grown quite crazy. I'm on the switch position that should say 50, and now I'm cranking out 110, 115. Something's not right, and I'm not sure what to do about it. Should I relabel the front panel? Assume that Medusa is bad? What would you do?